Welcome to the water pump replacement video. If you notice that one of your water pumps is not working, it may be time to replace it. Always remember you can call us toll-free anytime for troubleshooting tips and assistance. To replace a water pump, first unplug your appliance and remove the back using a screwdriver.
Okay, we are now going to switch out one of the three pumps. I'm going to show you our bottom level water pump swapping out. It is the same process for each water pump, the bottom water pump, the top water pump, or the drain pump. So this one, the second from the left on our control board, is our bottom water pump. So I'll go ahead and release all three wires by turning counterclockwise until the set screw comes out almost to the top of the terminal block. I'll do that to all three, and then all three wires should come out. Wires are loose. I'll go ahead and cut off these zap straps to release all the wires. And I'll cut off all three. So now I have a pump disconnected now. Okay, we now have our bottom water pump unwired and the wires are loose. So now you want to come down here, and to release this power cable, watertight power cable in the reservoir, you'll need to get in there. And use a little bit of muscle. And you gotta get one corner in like that. One corner in like that. And then jiggle it around until it pops out. Now you're ready to go over to the other side and release the water pump from its hose connection and remove the water pump completely. First, we're going to need to release the clip that is holding the cable. Then we'll have to reach in and disconnect the water line hose from this fitting off the pump. So I'll go ahead and do that by first removing the power clip off the clip. Then I'll have to reach in, and this is just like in the back, you gotta pull the white collar and pull. So to press this collar and pull the pump out, now your pump is free to come out. So now we have our new pump supplied by our Cultivator, ready to go in with the grommet already installed on the cable.
Okay, cool.
So this is how it will come from Urban Cultivator. You'll grab your wire end, find the hole it came out of, and fish the wire through the hole. Ensuring to connect enough to connect the water line that we pulled it off of, which is now loose right there. So this is a little tricky, so you'll want to rest the pump down on the ground, grab the hose, line it up, and hold the hose and push the pump into the hose. Now you want to give it a nice little tug, make sure the hose is connected, as you do not want this to turn on and not water your plants. Then press down so the suction cups hold the pump in place. Grab the power cable and replace it back into the clip. Now we can go back to the other side and connect it. So now you have your new pump hooked up on the reservoir, connected to the water, and you've got your cord fished through the reservoir hole. So now you got to reverse this to make sure you get this watertight connection on. To make ease of room, let's get this hose here off and we can reconnect it after. So to remove this hose, you push up into the fitting, pull the collar, hold the white collar, and slide the hose out. You gotta pull the grommet from one side to the next and rotating it in either clockwise or counterclockwise rotation to get the full return flap over top of the plastic wall. Now you can see I've got it through and it's wrapped around the reservoir wall. The next main step is you push the cable back in 1/8 of an inch, and it makes this little rollover that you see on these ones. Now this cable is now sealed in its position. Now you can go ahead and reconnect the water drain hose back in the fitting and give a nice tug to ensure that that's connected. Okay, so now we have our pump exchanged for a new one. We've got our cable ready, we've got our plumbing connected, so now we are ready to rewire this pump. Basically the same way you took it off. So we'll take our 3 wires, green, white, and black, and go up and put them back into their spots. You'll notice your other pumps are wired the same way. Everything is wired the same way. Green is ground, white is common, black is load. So you go ahead, insert the wire all the way to the end, holding pressure on it, grab your flathead screwdriver, crank and turn till seated. Grab your next wire, common, white, insert, ensuring no wires are fraying out. Grab your last wire, insert, and there I had some fraying, so I'll pull it out, give it a nice little twist, insert all the way, and turn. Now we'll go and strap the wires down so there's no risk of movement. Simply by sliding the zap strap through the hole, back over, back into itself. Now you want to ensure there's no strain on this, so you want to pull up some slack and let it rest on the ledge here. Pull, cinch tight. Cinch tight.
Once your water pump is replaced, reattach the back of the appliance with a screwdriver. If you have any questions about this process or would like to order a new water pump, visit us online or call our toll-free number. Thanks for growing with Urban Cultivator.